Hi children. What is your name? How many districts in Telangana state?
33 districts in Telangana state. Hyderabad, Patrati, Kottagudem, Hyderabad, Jayagitya, Renagam, Deshendra, Bhupalpalli, Raghunath Garwal, Kavaretti, Karimnagar, Kummam, Mashibawad, Mayapur, Medak, Mechel, Mulugu, Nagarjunar, Nalgonda, Nananpet, Ninimal, Nizamabad, Pettapalli, Rajamna Sisi,
Siddipet,
Suryapet, Vikarabad, Anpatti, Warangal Rural,
Warangal urban. Very good. Claps కొట్టండి హిమాంష్కి అందరూ.